Hey, good morning. It's a museum of Mahmoud, and I'm going to show you how to make your jet ski float on surface of ocean, or any another object on any kind of water. First of all, get your ocean, if you don't have one. So go to the description. There is link for you to learn. You how to make ocean, add a plane, add subdivision surface, choose simple change levels, viewport to 4, and render to 4. Apply, change the mode to edit mode to data. From vertex group add group assign, returning to object mode. Add modifier, from deform choose shrink wrap. Choose your ocean and play. Your object is floating smoothly. Add your jet ski, or whatever you want. Scale it like your plane. Add object constraint, copy location, and copy rotation. Choose vertex group. Group you did before. On location and rotation. Now hide your plane. Congratulations. Now you have your object floating. Thank you to be here. See you later. Bye-bye.